Hello everyone, my name is Ritu Singh and today we are going to be talking about communication, and I want to welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, The Networking Guide Direct Sale. The Networking Guide Direct Sale, SAIL, friends, it's not SALE. And on this YouTube channel we will talk more and more about how to do networking and what communication skills are important in our day-to-day activities. Today friends, we will be talking about communication. Yes friends, communication. What exactly does communication mean? Communication is a very important medium where information is traveling from one person to another person. For example, if I am sharing a paragraph with you, or if I am doing a presentation for you, have you actually understood what I am trying to explain or what exactly I am trying to tell you? Because communication is an information where we exchange words with a feedback. Yes friends, feedback is the most important thing that we need to remember. 99% of the time when we are talking, we assume and presume the other person who we are sharing the information with or who we are giving the presentation to has understood exactly what we are trying to say. But we never take a feedback from that person. Do we ever ask him, yes, what do you think? What have you understood? Because if, for example, if I am doing a presentation for an opportunity meeting, for network marketing, for direct sales, I really need to understand, has the other person understood exactly what I am trying to explain to that person? Friends, we must take a pause and think, has that person understood clearly what I am trying to explain? We must pause and take a feedback from the person that we are talking to or explaining to or sharing our business opportunity, our marketing plan with. Communication has two parts to it. One is verbal communication and the other is non-verbal communication. When we are talking about verbal communication, the most important factor in verbal communication is your listening skills. Yes friends, your listening skills. Verbal communication means when I am talking to you and you are talking to me with a feedback. Now, when we talk about feedback, listening plays the most important role. Are we actually listening to the person who is talking to us, or are we hearing that person? When we are listening to that person, that means we are active and we are emotional. But when we are hearing that person, then we are passive and we are just physically there. What does that mean? That means we are not actually listening to what the other person is trying to say. When we listen, the person who is talking to us will feel the importance that yes, I care about him. Yes, I understand him. Yes, I am with him. But when we are hearing, that means we are physically there, but mentally we are somewhere else. That is why we say the most important communication skill in any job, in any profession, is the listening skill. Now let's talk about what is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is a communication through your body language, through your body gestures, through your tone of voice. Your tone of voice can be soft, it can be harsh, it can be loud. It depends upon who you are talking with and how you are talking at that particular point of time. So friends, one of the non-verbal communication is the tone of voice. Secondly, I really want to discuss over here is sometimes when we are doing a meeting or a presentation, when we are putting our palm, can you see my palm? Yes? Now if I put my palm like this, that means it is an indication that I am giving enough room to the person who is listening to me. that means I am submissive. But if I put my palm like this, go and sit there, that means I am dominant. That means I am telling the person, go and sit there. I am ordering that person. So at that point of time, the listener will not like it. Now, if I put my palm like this, that means I am being very aggressive and very pushy. Now, these are important factors when we are talking to somebody and we want that person to be synced in with us. Synced in with us means we want that information from one person to another person should be harmonious and that person understands what exactly we are trying to explain. So now one of the most important gestures in non-verbal communication is also a handshake, friends. Now a handshake is a very important gesture. We must remember, sir, can you just give your hand please? When we are doing a handshake, we must not do it like this. That means we are telling the other person that you're in control. And neither it should be like this, stating that I am in control. The perfect handshake, friends, is like this, where I have a slight grip and it is informing the other person that we are friends and giving a warm feeling. This is the right way of doing a handshake. Friends, please remember, never give a two-handshaker handshake like this. This is giving the other person a feeling that something is not right. That means the person who is doing this is not trustworthy. You cannot depend on this person and you cannot trust the words of that person. So please never do a handshake like this, always like this. Another important non-verbal communication is when we are standing and talking to somebody, we must maintain a distance of at least 1 meter. Yes, friends, 1 meter distance should be maintained so that we are polite and we are talking properly and giving a warm feeling to that person. We are not coming too close to that person to give a feeling of pushiness. Yes, friends, please maintain a distance of 1 meter if you are standing and talking to somebody. The next important posture is your beautiful smile. Yes, friends, please make sure when you're meeting somebody or when you're talking to somebody that you have that beautiful smile on your face. After the smile, the next important non-verbal communication is your dressing sense. Your dressing sense has to be appropriate. It has to be strong, telling the person that you're a successful person, telling the person that you're trustworthy, telling the person that yes, you're here to do business and you're here to make that person a success along with you. Yes, friends, dressing up properly for a meeting or dressing up properly for a presentation, for anything is very, very important because it displays on who you are and where you're coming from. In the end, friends, I just want to share with you that non-verbal communication has a weightage of 70%. Yes, 70% weightage. That means when you're going for a presentation or when you're meeting somebody, people look at your non-verbal communication skills. 20% weightage has been given to the tone of voice that you use and 10% weightage is given to the words that are being used when you're talking to that person. Yes, friends, communication is very, very important. Verbal communication and non-verbal communication both are important. So please remember, friends, that when you're going for a meeting, you need to keep in mind all the points that we have discussed in this video. So friends, like, share and subscribe my video channel, The Networking Guide, Direct Sale, and watch out for more wonderful videos which will help you develop yourself and which will help you not only in your professional life but in your personal life also. Wish you success.